Generation Z, often called post-millennials, I generation, or Gen Zers, is defined as the group of individuals who were born between 1997 and 2012. As this holds, this will place Gen Z individuals currently in the age range of 10 to 25 years old. This generation has had the most technologically advanced upbringing of any generation to date, and has also had a huge impact on the current culture of society, especially in America. As a fellow Gen Zer, I can attest to what it is like to grow up with the unique innovations to daily life, as well as the many challenges my generation has had to deal with over the years, including the coronavirus pandemic. Evaluating statistics and taking a closer look at Gen Z, this generation is an outstanding model for getting a better look into the future of the human population by studying their diversity, beliefs, and technological savvy. First, Gen Z is the most racially diverse and educated generation of Americans to date. Only 52% of Gen Z are non Hispanic white individuals, creating easily the highest margin of diversity for any generation. This diversity has been a great advantage to my generation when it has come to increased cultural understanding, and college campuses are examples of where the most prominent changes in diversity are highlighted best. Education is also an important aspect of Gen Z, with nearly 60% of Gen Zers continuing their education in college. This trend is creating a much more educated and skilled workforce for the future. Second, as a majority, Gen Z holds many more progressive beliefs than generations before them. This includes mindfulness of the environment and planet, with 76% of Gen Z being concerned about humanity's impact on the environment. This concern has also spilled over into their consumerism, with nearly half of Gen Zers choosing eco friendly and socially responsible brands. These progressive beliefs also extend into the ever changing realm of gender and sexuality, where only 48% of Gen Z identify as completely heterosexual. Third, Gen Z is the most technological savvy and electronic reliant generation to date. This is outlined no better than the fact that a whopping 98% of Gen Z own some form of smartphone, and 55% use their smartphone for 5 or more hours a day. While these numbers may seem hard to believe for some, I personally do not doubt them, because I own a smartphone and every single one of my friends that I know my age owns one too. This reliance on technology has also created hope, with 30% of Gen Z believing that technological and science innovations can solve the world's biggest problems. While Gen Z is a great generational model for change and provides a positive outlook for the future of the world and American culture, not all statistics show the similar progressive trends. For example, 47% of Gen Z feel anxiety or stressed out most of the time, with pandemic levels spiking these numbers over 50%. I say this to not only highlight the great generational model that Gen Z is and can be, but also to show that there's still progress that all us Gen Zers can make to ensure a better tomorrow, not only for ourselves, but for the next generation after us.